most people have $0 on their wallet, just as this particular wallet right now have zero balance right here. So in this particular video, I'll be showing you how you can use this particular Bitcoin mining app to mine free BTC Bitcoin straight to your wallet right here. Okay, so if you have zero balance in your wallet, don't worry yourself. Just stick to this video to the end and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos just like this, because I'll be guiding you step by step on how you can get free Bitcoin right here just by mining some Bitcoin using this specific app right here. And the best thing about all this is that this particular app is on Google Play Store, and everybody have the full opportunity to download the app on Google Play Store. Now, listen carefully. This particular tutorial is just for educational purpose, not a financial advice. I'm not advising you to literally go ahead and put in money right here, or probably giving you a financial advice. I'm just telling you what works, or probably you might try it, might not work for you, it might also still work. So I'm not responsible for your losses or your gain or your profit right here. Yes, so do your due diligence investigation or research before you go ahead and do anything right here that I'm about to show you. Now let's just get started by going ahead to the Google Play Store so that you can literally get to know the name of this app and download it on Google Play Store. Here's the particular app right now on Google Play Store, which is BitCloud Crypto Mining Pool. Now just go ahead and click on install so that you can install it in your phone. Then just go ahead and check out all this right here. So if you like the interface just as it is looking right now, you can just go ahead and install it straightforward. But before then, you can just go ahead and check the review. This one right here, give it 5 stars. This one also give it 5 stars. A lot of people are talking good about this app, so click on all review right here so that you can see what people are saying concerning this particular app right now. So now just go ahead and conclude if you have to install it in your phone or not. So me myself, I will install it in this particular phone right now so that I can navigate and show you everything. So put in the back of your mind that I'm not sponsored by this particular app. I just found the app helpful, that's why I decided to create a video about it for you guys to literally know. So this is just my first time opening this particular app right now. I'll navigate everything, showing you how it is. So I'll make sure I review everything for you to understand how you can literally use it, just as they claim that you can literally use it to mine free Bitcoin. So let's do it together right now. So just follow the step I'm doing right now so that you can get to this particular place right here where you can select your language. Okay, so at the end of the day, you just have to go ahead and select your region, then you click on continue, then you just go ahead and click on continue with Google. But before then, you can just go ahead and go through this video description. In the pinned comment, you find the link right there for you to go ahead and get the referral. Probably it is optional, I might not even drop it right there, but there is a particular crypto arbitrage strategy that I'm using to make money on the internet. I drop it the link right there on the video description. Okay, so click on sign up with Google and your Gmail will pop up. It is not showing congratulations. Just go ahead and click on let's start right here. Then you just have to watch some few ads, because ad is part of this particular app. So you can decide to click on not now or watch later. So I will click on not now right now so that you can take a look at it. I already have bonus of this particular BTC right here. So they literally give me bonus just for signing up for free. Now if you want to earn more, just go ahead and click on start right here. Normally you just have to watch some few ads before you have the full opportunity or the access to literally mine some free BTC. So all you just have to do, click on watch now right here. So some ad will be popping up right here, and you must watch the ad before everything started popping up. So take a look at it. My Bitcoin is not adding up right here, and in the next 24 hours or in the next few hours, I'll just come straight to this particular place, watch some few ads again, then continue my Bitcoin mining right here. Okay, so you'll be thinking about how you can actually make some withdrawal from this particular app right here. So all you just have to do, go ahead and click on this particular place where you see wallet. So when you click on this place, you have the full opportunity to literally go ahead and click on withdraw right here. So before then, you just have to set up your withdraw account right here by clicking on complete withdrawal. You put in your name, then you put your phone number, you put in your wallet address, which is your Bitcoin wallet address, then you update this so that anytime you actually want to withdraw, you just go straight and click on withdraw. You will receive the money right there in the wallet that you provided. Now just go ahead and click on these settings right here. You can just go ahead and contact them right here, or probably review on this particular app on Google Play Store. Tell people your experience about this particular app. Click on this particular place right here so that you can literally get to know how it works more deep. Now just go to this particular place if you literally want to add up more gas. They call it mining units right here, but we not advise you to literally put in money right now. Just go ahead and watch some few ads so that you can boost it for 5 minutes right here. It's very simple, and everything right here is free, so I'm not responsible for your losses if you literally decide to use money to boost anything right here. Okay, so now I told you to use everything for free. So still now my BTC is still loading. Okay, so this particular video I told you earlier, I just only downloaded the app right here, and I will come straight back again some other time and create some more video about this particular app after I've accumulated enough BTC to withdraw right here. So in that next video, I will show you withdraw. So you just have to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that anytime I drop the video, you will be aware, so that you can see the next video update concerning this particular withdrawal process and how about this app went. Okay, so if you literally decide for me to create video for anything at all, let me know in the comment section. So if you want to contact me, my link to my Telegram handle is actually on this my profile right here. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel right now. It's very important and it will be helpful to you. Right now, I will just have to end this video right here since you know how